Saiu.
Absolutely incredible. Stale machine. An extremely dangerous situation for the cat excavator. It slowly moves down the steep slope to do its job, and every movement makes my heart race. Despite its massive size, this machine is no match for nature. Its wheels sink deep into the hidden soft ground, making every movement extremely difficult. In the end, it has to rely on another machine for rescue.
Chama. Tá saindo. Oi. Saiu.
Smoke keeps pouring out from the wheels. The truck, carrying tons of massive logs, struggles its way out of the forest and onto the road. Give this machine more power by commenting 1. You've probably never seen a machine climb like this before, right? The crawler tractor, weighing over 40,000 pounds, uses massive steel tracks to generate incredible traction. Powered by a 300-plus HP diesel engine, the machine slowly crawls up the mountainside while the sound of rattling metal echoes through the valley. The giant steel beast begins roaring through the dusty quarry. The wheel loader, weighing over 80,000 pounds, lowers its nearly 10 cubic meters bucket and scoops massive rocks into the dump truck waiting beside it. Its 500-plus HP engine keeps roaring nonstop, while the gigantic tires give the machine powerful grip across the rough, rocky terrain of the mine. The Komatsu WA900 wheel loader is an incredibly powerful machine. Just look at how effortlessly it transports massive rocks before long. Nearly the entire pile has been moved away. Its giant tires are always equipped with heavy-duty chains for maximum traction. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see even more giant machines. What the hell is happening here? The front of the machine lifts nearly 1 meter off the ground. With slopes this steep, these machines have to keep moving non-stop while hauling massive loads of dirt and rock behind them. The front lifting up or the machine suddenly losing momentum happens very frequently. Can you hear that? The engine sound is absolutely powerful. These off-road machines are racing against each other, showing off their raw strength. Just look at it, charging wildly through the mud while dirt and sludge explode everywhere. These massive trucks are incredible at transporting logs. Their trailers can carry up to 40 tons of huge timber, and their job is to haul the wood down to the lowlands. Every stretch of road comes with its own dangers, and a rollover can happen at any moment. This giant Bell 2406C tractor has appeared in a residential area. It seems to be carrying out a mission here as it slowly moves along the dirt road. The engine sound is deep and calm, but beneath it lies extraordinary power. Let's witness the power of the crawler tractor. It's using all of its strength to pull the excavator out of the swamp. If you're impressed by the power of this machine, comment 1 to share your thoughts. With just a few moves, the car is completely destroyed beyond recognition. The excavator uses a high-powered grapple attachment to repeatedly lift the car and slam it down with tremendous force. It clearly shows just how powerful this excavator's engine really is. A spectacular rescue by the T150K tractor. The T150K tractor, weighing nearly 17,000 pounds, uses its 150-plus HP engine to tighten the steel cable and rescue the New Holland machine stuck deep in thick mud. Its 4 massive wheels spin violently, throwing mud across the field as the machine struggles to pull tens of tons out of the swamp. The Cat D8R, weighing over 80,000 pounds, and the Liebherr 954 excavator, nearly 110,000 pounds, are secured with massive steel chains on multi-axle trailers for transport to a new job site. The truck engines roar non-stop as the convoy hauls hundreds of tons of steel across steep slopes and rough roads. Even with a 460-plus HP engine, crossing the desert is still extremely difficult. Temperatures above 100 degrees Fahrenheit and violent sandstorms turn the entire transport journey into a brutal survival challenge across the barren land.